My name is Alexandre Treff. I am the general manager of French Bakery Dubai. I came in Dubai in 1997. We opened at that time our first central kitchen. Then after that we opened our first outlet. We understood that Dubai will have a serious growth in the next couple of years. So we decided to invest in the central kitchen. We will provide the benefits to supply the market, not only French bakery outlet, but also hotel, restaurant, coffee shop. And we open on daily basis today more than 600 outlets. I start the job at 16 years. Then after that, when I got my diploma, I start to work in a couple of places in France. Then after, I decided to go outside of France to see something else, something new, some different culture of production of pastries. Then after that, I have the opportunity to work in a cruise. So I work for a couple of years in a boat all over the world. After that, I have the opportunity to go to Dubai. I meet someone who proposed me to come to Dubai to open a French pastry. At that time, Dubai was a completely city. It was really smaller compared to today. Today, Dubai is huge. It's a really big city. At the level of my job on the pastry side, you couldn't find a really good cake in 1997. Then we came with a new idea of pastry with the touch of the French fine dining pastry, bakeries, and also ice cream. Then step by step, competition came, but the key of the success of French bakery was that we were able to every time propose a new development, a new proposition of product to the customers. That was the success of French bakery. To meet the market demands, we understood that we have to invest in the cold chain process. So the cold chain process I can categorize in three main parts. I will say the first step will be the blast chilling, the second step will be the shock freezing, and the last step will be the conservation. So blast chilling basically will allow me to blast chill a product, a freshly baked product, and to support and to keep the product more fresh. The second part will be the shock freezing, when right after a baking or production, I will shock freeze the product to extend the shelf life. The third part will be the conservation. It means that when I will finish or the blast chilling or the shock freezing, I will keep into the freezer for the long conservation. I had the opportunity to experience Irinox during my time in Italy. Then when I came in Dubai, I decided to fix Irinox in our kitchen. Thanks to Irinox, we are able to transfer from the oven straight away the product to the shock freezer or to the blast chiller. So we are also able to keep all this product after shock freezing or blast chilling to the conservator, where we can keep the product for days or weeks, and then will allow us to keep the product fresh and like you produce from the same day. And the advantage of the conservator that we will not find any piece of ice on the top of the cakes or any water during the defrosting. So Irinox conservator will really allow me to offer to my customer the best product like I did from the first day. Freshness for me is not related to the cooking or the production of the day. Freshness is related to the way that we produce the product in advance, the way that we store the product, the way that we finish the product. With this solution of conservation, we are able to answer to any customer at any point of time.